Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by launching Vim in your project root so everything loads relative to the repo. Once done, ensure file type detection and basic indenting are enabled. This lets syntax plugins behave correctly. Install a plugin manager quickly, then add only essential plugins, a file explorer, treesitter, and an LSB client. You do this to get immediate syntax highlighting, code navigation, and auto-completion. Make a small vimrc or init vim now so subsequent steps act on a reproducible setup. Next, you wire up language intelligence. Install treesitter parsers for your web stack to get robust parsing and incremental selection. Then configure LSB servers, TS server, CSSLS, and HTML so you receive diagnostics, hover info, and Gore definition. Once the LSB is running, attach practical key bindings for code actions and rename. Add a completion engine and snippets so you can expand boilerplate fast. Map tab and shift tab for snippet navigation. These pieces work together to make editing. Finally, streamline your workflow by adding formatting and linting. Prettier integrated through your LSB or null.ls gives consistent output on save. Create mappings for common tasks. Start dev server, run tests, or trigger a browser refresh from Vim. Make sure your status line and quick fix are visible for errors. If something breaks, first open Messages and Run, check Health to identify plugin problems, then restart the LSB with LSB Restart. This sequence resolves most issues and gets you back to coding quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.